What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are not actually going to be modding any Game Boys. Today I'm going to go over how I take pictures of my products. If you didn't know already, I do sell video game stuff on my website. I sell modded consoles, unmodded consoles, and soon to be more. This video is all about how I take my photos for Instagram, my website, and even my thumbnails. We're going to be making this Game Boy Advance SP look super dope in a couple photos right now. So let's get started. Whew. Still not used to that. This is my work desk. You'll probably recognize this area from all the top-down shots on my channel. This is actually where I take most all my product photos. That's why I have this nice piece of fake wood here. It's a nice, clean background for almost any product photo I take. Now that you're familiar with the area, let's get to picturing. Wait, where's my camera? Oh, duh. Let me just get this off it. There we go. Whew. That was a close one. I'm always misplacing this thing. Wait, how am I still recording? For the first shot, we're gonna go pretty simple. These are no nonsense blank space pictures I use for my thumbnails and my main photo on each listing. For these, it's just simple photos of only the product. I don't want my customers getting distracted by anything else in the frame, so that's why these are just clean and simple. It's also what I will usually do for thumbnails, so I can put words all around it without covering other things up. Then once I have a photo I like, I will take it into Lightroom and edit the colors so they are accurate to how it would look in your hands. I never make any edits that would be deemed as false advertising. Now this shot is where we have all the fun. We have to take a picture that's gonna rope them in, make them really wanna buy it. What I do for these is I'll start by grabbing 3 or 4 items that are either semi-related to the product or have a similar color. Then I'll surround the product with these items and get them nice and blurry in the background. I do this by putting the Game Boy closer to the camera than the other items. Then I use a telephoto lens like my nifty 50 for some nice bokeh. Then for editing, I'll usually go a little bit further in these, but still not too much. I really hate false advertising. And that's really all I have to say. I learned almost everything I know about photography from Peter McKinnon. I highly recommend watching his channel if you're into photography or you want to get into photography. If you want to see more from me on this, I did a video like this a little while back based off of a tutorial from Peter McKinnon. I had a lot of fun with it. Go check it out. I'll link it down below. But that's going to be it for today. If you guys did enjoy, listen to Brittany. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling bell. If you did follow along with this video, tag me in your photos on Instagram at Retro Remastered. And I've got nothing else to say besides I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Oh god, the camera's so far away. How do you like the new camera? I love it. Bokeh's nice. Doesn't this look awesome? I think I'm gonna start shooting with the 50mm now.